Hi friend, Ramkumar here, your growth partner, and today we are going to discuss about how you can optimize your LinkedIn profile so you can find your best job offer. So for that, first we'll see that how you can create your LinkedIn profile. So if you log in your profile in LinkedIn, you will find that a couple of things here. So if you already well known about the LinkedIn, then this small introduction will be not required for you, but still it is recommended you have a look on that. So first, in left hand side, it will is coming with your picture, and it is always recommended you should have one smile face, because smile is one of the universal language which will attract people towards you. And then your full name, and with proper case all these things, because I saw lots of people, they don't take care of that, they are spelling of the name, they start all this small case, all these things. That is not good, it's not showing that you are a professional. So please put some time and efforts, and spell it proper way with proper space, proper casing, all this thing. Then this segment is showing about what which position you are working, which company, and what actually you do. So you can craft this tagline, we normally call as a tagline. So this is first is your position and company, and what you do in that company, it is say like that way. So it takes some time and practice, so you can write it down couple of times until unless you get a perfect tagline for you to describe in a single line what you are doing in that current position in current companies. And then if you go to your profile, so if you click here and go to the view profile, so this is coming. So you can have a beautiful smiles picture, and then brief about who you are, what kind of things you do, and then as you told, it is showing little bigger way your position, your current company, and one single sentence about what you are doing in your current position or in the current company. Please fill all this thing, your college details, your companies, and then it's a little bit small brief about you. Okay, so this also will take little bit time to write it down, what you are doing in your current position and also in other thing. So I keep it, I am not into that job searching mode now, so that's why I'm searching for my client, my prospect. So that's why I keep a different type of copy here. But if I into job searching mode, then definitely this has to be changed. Then according to your job searching, you have to highlight what kind of skill set you have, what kind of experience you have, all this thing. It has to be, it will change, it is dynamic. It's not like that one time created and use that. It has to be changed with the time and along with your current requirement. Then you can keep couple of your documents, features document. If you have done kind of projects, all these things, you can keep it here. And then it is showing your experience, so it start with your last company. So here also you put the details, choose that proper designation you have, your company name and the time frame from when to when, and what is the thing you are doing there. So you can give all these details here. You see that I got right my current job through the LinkedIn only. So LinkedIn can do, even before that company also I got it through LinkedIn. So that's why I am recommend that all people, you should be very proactive on LinkedIn if you are searching for a good job. And then it was that previous company, and like that way. So I mention all these things. Please be professional. Lots of people does not update, they simply keep it open, so sometime it will showing that you are working in the two company, because if you don't choose to close that earlier company, so automatically it is showing that you are working with the two companies. Don't do that. So go through that, invest some little bit time and effort, and make it proper way, close that opening and ending time here. Like that way you can put all these details here, what kind of things you have done in those companies. You can update at any time. It's not like that one time you have done it is finished. And you can do all this company, whatever the company you had worked, so you can give all these details here. Okay, and then definitely you should update your education, your school. The more you will give information, it will be more good for you. And if you are into some particular domain, and it can you can take some that skill quiz, so it will show you here. And here also coming lots of endorsement and lots of industry knowledge you can choose. And then the language, please update that what kind of language you know, all these things. Okay, so and I'm going to do a special another small video on that, how you can craft all this tagline and do little bit of the copywriting for your LinkedIn profile. Even if somebody require my one-on-one help to optimize your LinkedIn profile, definitely you can contact me. You can send me a mail, or you can directly connect with me through my this YouTube channel. You can put comments, so I'll definitely will help you to optimize your LinkedIn profile, so you can find out your dream job. So hope this will be helpful. And I have one small request to you. See, during this pandemic, lots of people lost their job. Lots of people, they have excellent skill set, but they don't know how to connect with the right people in the right organization, so they can crack that deal. So in this video series, I'm trying to help those people also, how you can do their little bit of improvement in their resume, how they can do the optimization their resume, how they can optimize their LinkedIn profile, and also how we can do little bit optimization in their body language, and how they can approach towards the interview, so they can crack those interview and they can have their job. So please subscribe this channel, and also please share these videos with all those people you know that they are looking for a job, who are struggling to find out a job. I think this is going to help them. So this is my one small request. Please spread this video to all those people who need this video, this kind of guidance. Thank you. Hope we will meet soon again. Have a great day.